हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अगर आपने हमारे चैनल हानो किड्स को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और साथ ही लगे बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाइए ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक जरूर पहुंचे।
Let's learn with apples and bananas. Baby, sit here. Let's learn something new. No, I don't want to learn. I want to play. Okay, you finish this first and let's go. Now, tell me, huh? Huh? He's not listening? What do I do now? Huh? I will sing a song for him. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 Huh? What's that? Hey guys, you're playing without me? Let me go there. Did you get it? Then, tell me this fruit. Apple. It's red in color. Huh? Banana? It's yellow. The banana is yellow. Yay! You said it right. Okay. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 The apples are a little sour, but so good for your skin. Huh? Bananas will make you strong. Yeah, I know that. Oh, I feel so hungry. I want apples and bananas now. Oh, apples? Where do I get it? I don't have it with me, baby. No, I want it. Uh-oh. Wait. I will get it to you. I like to apples and bananas. I like to apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Oh, it's so crunchy. Tastes so good. These bananas are so yummy. My tummy is so full. Hey, yeah! We have learned and played together.
Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked at the door with a rat-a-tat-tat.
Doctor, look, my doll is sick. Can you treat her?
He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for a pill. I'll be back in the morning with the bill.
Bye bye. Hey Dolly, have this. You will be okay and let's get playing. Wow! Oh Let's play! Sit here. Go! Woohoo! Oh, you're stuck! Huh? Don't worry, I'm coming! Stay there! I'm almost there! Oh no!
Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked out the door with a rat-a-tat-tat.
Oh, doctor! She's sick again!
He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning with the bill, bill, bill.
Yay! Huh? You're perfectly fine! I love you, dear! Bye-bye!